Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm coming to you with a continuation video, or part 2 of the how to install an outdoor cold water shower. So today I'm putting down the base that I told you guys in the first video I was going to do. So for this project, if you want to do the same thing, these are some of the tools you're going to need. Starting over here, I got my 4-inch grinder with a masonry bit. It's wet and dry. And I got my multi-purpose tool, and I'll explain later what that was for. And rubber mallet, cold chisel or masonry chisel, square, a masonry hammer, a tape measure, some gloves, some paver spikes right there, a paver frame, which is that black plastic part here, some of these 2x8x16 concrete, they call these like the caps, concrete caps. Alright, and I have actually ended up buying only two right here on the bottom. These two, this one and the one that I cut over there, I already had, and then this one big block here I already had also, and that's like a double, so that's a 16x16. So I chose to put that one in the back, so that way it provides me with a better platform, and put these three small ones in the front. But now that I think about it, I think I'm going to switch it. I'm going to put these three in the back and then put this big one in the front. And you can see I already actually put it down and show you my little level, that it's level left to right, back to front. I'm going to do it slight pitch down, not that it really matters, but it just helps for the water to run off a little bit. Alright, there's the partial piece that I had to cut, and that's what I used my 4-inch grinder right there for, with the little wheel. And so basically this was the steps. The size of this base is, I went with 24 that way by 33 this way, and that's a perfect platform, you know what I'm saying? Move around under the shower, get off the shower, walk this way back inside the garage. So first I just kind of leveled this off where the sand and dirt is, not too much, just kind of raked it, and then got my measurements, put this paver guard down, and to hold those down you just use the spikes and the rubber mallet, which I'll show you in a second how I did it. So like this one here, for example, right there, just put it in the hole, and then you just pound it down into the ground like that until it sits flush. And you see they have different holes, for you to put them down. So like I put one here, two in each corner, one in the middle, one in the corner, and then like one there, and one there in the back. Alright, so basically, like I said, you kind of level this off here first, come back. Oh, and then you're also going to need some crushed stone. It can be 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch, doesn't matter. And what that does is just creates a good base for your concrete pads, and so you'll be able to level off. And then also it helps for the drainage with the water, so the water doesn't just like run off into the grass, create mud. It'll actually get trapped. Most of it will get trapped in here, which is why I put that there, and it helps to leach it into the ground easier. So you can pick this stuff up in the bags. I just happen to have some leftover from another job, from one of the big bags that I got, and that's what I'm using as my base. Same thing I use when I'm putting down concrete also. And that's pretty much it. And then you take each block, put your gravel down, put your block there, put your level on it, whichever side is low or higher. Take the rubber mallet and just tap, you know, where you need to. Like, this wasn't difficult at all to get leveled. So the next thing I'm going to do is just pour the gravel in there, rake it a little bit, and then put the rest of the pads, the concrete pads down, and then go from there. Alright, hold on a second. Okay, you guys, so I forgot to mention also that you're going to need some gardening tools, like a square shovel, garden rake, garden hoe, a tamper if you have one, and a spade. You don't really need all that, but you can do with, do with probably just 2 of those, square shovel and the rake. And that was just to make it, a little bit easier. But so I went ahead and, like I said, moved the big concrete pad to the front, put the 2 in the back there, the partial piece there because of my water pipe going up, and I put the other one in the corner right there. So there you go. And I left, like I said, gaps in between the pads on purpose. Just helps to get that water down there. But yeah, I know, like you said, it's gonna hit me, it's gonna splash everywhere, but like I said, the majority will stay there. And it was just to make the pad look nice. And of course, the exposed paver frame is going to get covered with dirt and eventually grass, or mulch, whichever I decide. But there it is, all done. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hit the bell button for more and upcoming videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.